Hello students, welcome back. In this module we are going to discuss about 3 mark questions which are long answer type questions given in quadratic equations chapter. Without wasting time, let us go to solve the problems. See, now the very first problem given here is solve the following equation: 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3, where x is not supposed to be 0 and true. So see, when you observe some problems, this kind of informations will be given. What is the use of that information? See, if you observe x is not equal to 0, means x should not be 0. What happens when x is equal to 0? Put 0 in the place of x. 1 divided by 0. What do you mean by 1 divided by 0? It is undefined. And x is not equal to 2. Here x equal to 2, okay. But here if x is equal to 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 by 0 equal to undefined. So, the problem to be defined, this condition is necessary. So, that is the condition given to define the problem. That's it. Fine. So, if you observe the given problem here, 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 3. So, in order to solve this, we will have to simplify this. In order to simplify, you will have to find out the LCM, and 1 into x minus 2 is x minus 2 minus x into 1 is equal to x whole divided by x into x minus 2 is equal to 3. Right? So in the numerator, minus x and plus x can be cancelled. So minus 2 divided by x into x is equal to x square minus x into 2 is equal to 2x, which is equal to 3 divided by 1. See, if you observe x square minus 2x is there in the denominator, so that you will have to cross multiply. So 3 into x square equal to 3x square minus 3 into 2x is equal to 6x minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 2. So when you transpose minus 2 this side, then it would be 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is what is the final quadratic equation, and it's in simplest form. Now you see, is it possible to factorize by using splitting middle term method or not? So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. What are the factors of 6? Either 1 6 are 6 or 2 3s are 6. But suppose if you go with first one, that is 1 6 are 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, but it is 6. Second one, 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, but this is 6. So it is understood that we cannot solve this by using splitting middle term method. Then we should go to formula method. So what is that formula method? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is what called quadratic formula. Before that, you will have to compare this with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where the value of a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 2. Right? Substitute them. X is equal to minus, the value of b is going to be minus 6. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root b square means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 3 and c is equal to 2. So 4 into 3 into 2 whole divided by, what is this? This is 2a is going to be 2 into a is equal to 3. So 2 into 3. So finally minus of minus 6 equal to plus 6 plus or minus square root 6 square equal to 36 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 whole divided by 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 6 plus or minus square root 36 minus 24 equal to how much? It is 12 divided by 6. But 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12, right? 4 is a square number, square root 4 is equal to 2. So it would be 2 into root 3 whole divided by 6. So from the numerator, you can take 2 common. So 2 times 3 plus or minus root 3 whole divided by 6. So 2 1s, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, the value of x is going to be 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 3. So this way, we can find out the value of x or the roots of this quadratic equation. Hope you understand. Right. Moving on to the next problem. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation has equal roots. The given quadratic equation is x square plus 2 root 2k times x plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay. Since the quadratic equation has equal roots, since it has equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Right? So b square minus 4ac means you will have to compare this with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. The value of b is going to be 2 root 2k whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a is going to be the coefficient of x square, that is 1, and c is equal to constant, that is 18 is equal to 0. What is 2 root 2k whole square? 2 square root 2 whole square k whole square. 2 square is equal to 4. Root 2 whole square is equal to 2. 4 2s are 8k square minus 18 4s are 72 is equal to 0. So transpose minus 72 that side. Then 8k square is equal to 72. K square is equal to 72 by 8. 8 how much are 72? 8 9s are 72. So k square is equal to 9. Then the value of k is equal to plus or minus square root 9, that is going to be plus or minus 3. So therefore the value of k is going to be plus or minus 3. And this kind of problems are very important. The problem talks about equal roots. Next, solve the following quadratic equation. What is the given quadratic equation? 9x square minus 6b square x minus of a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 is equal to 0. I would like to remind you one very important formula, that is, if alpha comma beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then the polynomial is going to be x square minus of alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta. If minus alpha comma minus beta are the roots, then the quadratic equation is going to be x square minus of alpha plus beta into x. See here minus minus, right? So it would be plus x square plus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. With the help of these two forms, we can find out the roots of quadratic equations easily. See here, in both these quadratic equations, the constant term is going to be positive. But here in our quadratic equation, the constant term is negative. How to make it positive? Just multiply both the two terms with minus. Then the quadratic equation will become, the constant will become minus into a power 4 minus a power 4 minus of minus plus b power 4. So I am going to write this as b power 4 minus a power 4 equals to 0. And before that we have 6b square x, and this is negative term, and before that we have 9x squared. So the last term should be positive. And then see the sign of the middle term, that is negative here. So in which quadratic equation sign is negative? In the first one. So you will have to go with this form of quadratic equation. And now the last term is alpha into beta there. But this is b power 4 minus a power 4. Can you express it as product of two different terms? Yes, we can. Write b power 4 as b square whole square minus a power 4 as a square whole square is equal to 0. And this is minus 6b square x and 9x square. See here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b is going to be b square minus a square times b square plus a square is equal to 0. But see, the sign of the x square is positive as well as the coefficient. Leading coefficient is going to be 1. But here leading coefficient is 9. So that I would like to divide every single term of this quadratic equation by 9. So 9x square by 9 minus 6b square x divided by 9. This whole thing divided by 9, right? So I am going to write this as divided by 3 divided by 3. Because 3 3s are 9. Here 9 9 gets cancelled. and here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Once you observe here clearly, we are almost towards the end of the problem. This is x square minus 2b square x divided by 3 plus b square minus a square by 3 and b square plus a square by 3. I have separated last two terms as alpha into beta. Suppose if this is alpha, this is beta, is this alpha plus beta? Let us check. B square minus a square by 3 plus b square plus a square by 3. When you add both of them, minus a square plus a square cancel directly, the denominator is same. Minus a square plus a square cancel. B square plus b square is equal to 2b square by 3. This is 2b square by 3. So, happily we can write this as x square minus this one as sum of these two. That is b square minus a square by 3 plus b square plus a square by 3 times x plus b square minus a square by 3 into b square plus a square divided by 3 is equal to 0. Now it is in which form? It is in the form of x square minus of alpha plus beta times x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta. Therefore, the value of x is equal to alpha, which is equal to b square minus a square by 3 and beta is equal to b square plus a square divided by 3. So this way we can answer this problem. These kind of problems are very important. This is given recently, and of course previously this problem was given many number of times, but please be focused on this kind of problem exclusively can be solved easily by using these two strategies, right? Moving on to the next problem. Here the next problem is solve for x. See, this problem also one of the most important and frequently comes in exam. So the given equation is 1 by 2a plus b plus x is equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. So how do you solve this? It is understood that the number of terms should be same on left hand side as well as right hand side. Left hand side you have only a single term, whereas right hand side you have 1, 2, 3 number of terms. So that in order to balance the number of terms to simplify it easily, I am just transposing x towards left hand side. Then left hand side will become 1 by 2a plus b plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b. Now start simplifying by taking LCM. X into 1 is equal to x minus this entire term into 1 is minus 2a minus into plus minus b minus into x minus x all divided by, of course, the product of terms 2a plus b plus x into x is equal to, here itself it would be b plus 2a divided by 2ab. If you observe here, minus x plus x gets cancelled. This is minus 2a minus b, so I am taking one minus common, it would be 2a plus b whole divided by, this is 2ax plus bx plus x square is equal to, I am writing it in the standard form, that is 2a plus b divided by 2ab. See here, left hand side we have a single term, here also right hand side we have a single term on the numerators. So directly we can cancel 1 times. By cross multiplication, this entire thing into 1 is going to be x square plus 2ax plus bx is equal to 2ab into minus 1 is equal to minus 2ab. Will you be able to transpose that towards left hand side? Yes, it would be x square plus 2ax plus bx plus 2ab is equal to 0. Now see, there are totally 4 terms. If you observe clearly, from the first 2 terms we can take something common, that is x times x plus 2a, and from these 2 terms we can take 1 plus b common, remaining x plus 2a is equal to 0. So totally x plus 2a is the first term into the remaining one is x plus b is equal to 0. X plus 2a into x plus b is equal to 0. So since the product of two terms is 0, either first term is 0 or second term is 0, that is going to be x plus 2a is equal to 0 or x plus b is equal to 0. So x plus 2a is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2a, x plus b equal to 0, x is equal to minus b. See how easily we solve this problem, right? Moving on to the next problem here. If the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has equal roots, then prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. This is one of the most important problem. This can come for 2 marks or for 3 marks, or sometimes this problem can come for even 5 marks also. So let us try to prove it. What is the given quadratic equation? So given quadratic equation is, see, observe clearly, 1 plus m square times x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. This quadratic equation is already in standard form because something into x square plus something into x plus constant is equal to 0. Since it is in the standard form and it has equal roots, when a quadratic equation is said to have equal roots, it has equal roots only when the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So since it has equal roots, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is going to be 0. Okay, so since it is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then b, what is b here? Coefficient of x, that is 2mc whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a is going to be 1 plus m square, and c is going to be c square minus a square is equal to 0. Got it? We just applied b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 and then simplified. What is 2mc whole square? That square belongs to all the 3 terms of the base. That is 2 square is 4, m whole square is m square, c whole square is c square, minus 4 times 1 plus m square into c square minus a square. 1 into c square is c square minus a square, plus m square into c square is m square c square, plus m square minus a square is minus a square m square is equal to 0. See, observe, totally we have 1 4 common. So can we take 1 4 common here? So 4 times, here it is m square c square minus into c square minus c square, minus into minus plus a square, minus into plus minus m square c square, minus into minus plus a square m square is equal to 0. Right? Is there any cancellation? M square c square, it is positive and it is negative, both gets cancelled. So finally this 4 is there. See here, the product of 2 terms equal to 0 means 4 into this entire term equal to 0. Then either first term equal to 0 or second term equal to 0. But 4 cannot be 0. Then this term is only 0. That is going to be, here it is minus c square plus a square is there. So a square minus c square plus a square m square is equal to 0. You are going to prove something that c square is equal to, so transpose minus c square towards right hand side. Then left hand side you have a square plus a square m square is equal to c square. From both the 2 terms you can take one a square common, remaining 1 plus m square is equal to c square. Therefore c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So this way we can solve the problem. And coming to the next one, if the roots of the quadratic equation a square plus b square into x square minus 2 times ac plus bd into x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 are equal, then prove that AD is equal to BC. See, this problem not only in 2020 and before this board examination, quite a few times this problem was given in board examinations. This one also equally important to the other problems. So I will just take the given equation, that is a square plus b square times x square minus 2 times ac plus bd times x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. Again, it has equal roots. The roots are equal. So since the roots are equal, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. Okay. So what is b here? Minus 2 times ac plus bd. So that implies minus 2 times ac plus bd whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a is a square plus b square into c is c square plus d square is equal to 0. Again, minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 times ac plus bd whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means a square c square plus b square means b square d square plus 2ab. 2 into ac into bd, that is 2abcd, right? Minus 4 times, again you multiply both of them. A square into c square is a square c square. B square into c square is b square c square. A square into d square is a square d square plus b square into d square is b square d square is equal to 0. Again, from both the two terms you can take 4 common. That implies 4 times, open the brackets, a square c square plus b square d square plus 2abcd minus 4 already taken common, remaining a square c square, right, minus into b square c square minus b square c square minus into a square d square minus a square d square minus b square d square is equal to 0. See the cancellation, a square c square cancel. B square d square is there, yes, b square d square is also there. These two gets cancelled. So remaining we have 4 into entire thing, but this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. So that I am going to take one minus also common. So minus 4 times, I will write first these two terms because I have already taken minus common. So here it is a square d square plus this is b square c square. I have taken minus common, so it would be one more minus, that is 2abcd is equal to 0. See again, minus 4 cannot be 0, then only this term is 0. So what is that only term? A square d square plus b square c square minus 2abcd is equal to 0. See, I am going to write a square d square as ad whole square, b square c square as bc whole square minus 2abcd can be written as 2 into ad into bc is equal to 0. So it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 0. A square plus b square minus 2ab means that is a minus b whole square. So a is ad minus bc whole square is equal to 0. Then we can say that AD minus BC is equal to 0. Finally, we got AD is equal to BC. Right? This is what we want, right? Prove that AD is equal to BC. So this way, we can answer 2 marks problems. But here, we discussed a few set of problems carries 5 marks also. Okay? These are 3 markers and carries 5 marks also. See, last few set of problems were given sometimes for long answer, sometimes for essay question also. So please be careful in order to prove these kind of statements. So this is the easiest way to prove all these kind of statements. Hope you understand, enjoy the class. Thank you.